Ever wondered just how you could be making $3,000 per week from the comfort of your own home, all online? Well, you're about to find out. First, it's important to understand that this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about developing a mindset, a strategy, and implementing it with discipline. Now, who better to learn these strategies from than the man himself, Elon Musk? The first strategy is to focus on value. Musk didn't become the titan he is today by focusing on money. Instead, he focused on creating value, on solving problems. So your first step is to identify a problem that many people have and find a unique solution. This could be anything from offering online tutoring for complex subjects to building an innovative application that simplifies daily tasks. Next, it's time to look at the power of learning. Musk is a self-proclaimed learner. He's taught himself everything from rocket science to engineering. So equip yourself with the necessary skills. Whether that's learning coding, digital marketing, or graphic design, there are countless resources available online to help you master these skills. Now let's move on to persistence. Musk's journey has been full of failures and setbacks, but he never gave up. You too will face challenges when trying to make $3,000 a week online, but the key is to stay persistent. Keep refining your skills, keep looking for opportunities, never stop learning, and never give up. Next up, we have diversification. Musk runs multiple companies, each with its unique value proposition. So don't limit yourself to one stream of income. Once you've mastered one skill, learn another and find ways to monetize it. Lastly, remember to keep innovating. Musk is a pioneer in electric cars and space travel because he dared to venture into uncharted territories. So don't be afraid to try something new, to break the mold, to innovate. In summary, making $3,000 a week online isn't about finding a quick fix. It's about adopting a strategy of value creation, continuous learning, persistence, diversification, and innovation. It's about adopting the mindset of Elon Musk. So, start today. Identify a problem, learn a new skill, persist through the challenges, diversify your income streams, and dare to innovate. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to making $3,000 a week online.